Oh my gosh, people are gonna be seeing this, you know that, right?
Yeah, but we're amazing that way.
We're trying to burp.
Yeah, we're amazing. Trying to
With
burp.
Diet Coke! Diet Coke!
No sugar added.
How can you burp from that crap? I always do it. I don't know how. I just do.
Hello, we are awesome. Trying to text you. Yeah.
I didn't think you were gonna burp. I'm just like, you burp.
I think you pushed on my throat that made me come out. You can't burp. Oh my gosh. Diet Coke. We are very.
I can't burp.
Yes. I am.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Quit texting. That's mean.
Sorry. Oh wow.
I can't drink here, Brittany. I wanted to see if it would happen again.
It won't. I don't have one coming up, I know.
That was funny. Mine happen at the like randomest times when we're not filming.
Yeah, it's unfair. People are gonna be thinking we're awesome.
No, we're gonna be called freaks.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. It's my phone. 7:45. You see that,
Well,
people?
you're better.
7:45.
No,
That's amazing. That's people. That's me and my boy. See? See that picture? That's amazing. Right there.
Yeah, we cool peoples.
Trying to make a burp come on. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. It won't help if you hit me.
No, I was like,
Look at that guy. That guy.
Oh.
Ooh, who's that hottie? Who's that hottie?
Yeah, I'm gonna do something. Dan, who's this happy? Or was happy? No, it's not. No, it's very sad.
Who's that? Who's that?
Oh,
Yeah.
I can find it. Ooh, I got one.
We look amazing pictures.
Wait. Don't want to put my name up.
That's me and my brothers. Aren't we so adorable?
We are awesomeness.
Oh
Who-
God.
Who's that? Where's my face go?
DJ. Oh my gosh. That's DJ.
Yeah, man.
Finally.
Finally.
That's why I kept the camera going. Michael, Lauren, you're a loser. Michael, you're awesome. Brittany, you're okay.
What?
No, my cousin Brittany's silly.
Okay. I was like, what?
You guys make my life. You guys make my life. This chick makes my life. Okay, well, we're gonna go. Bye.
Okay, wait, one more.
One more? Okay, one
Yeah,
more.
let me find a picture. If I can find it.
Me and my man. Yeah, that's right. Be jealous. Be very jealous. Very, very jealous.
Yes, I am very jealous of you.
Yeah, that's right.
Wait, do not touch it.
I'm not touching it!
Ow! You touched me. How dare you touch me? Toucher.
I'm not molesting you. So.
Yes, you are. Just kidding. Yeah, here we go. The gauge. Little gauge, Mom. Little gauge. Yeah,
That's
guess who that
creepy.
is.
That's creepy.
Yeah, that's a creeper.
That's creepy.
He's creepy.
You're creepy.
No, he's
Pretend-
creepy.
You're
He's
creepy.
creepy.
Okay. Look at the time. Okay. Bye. Peace out.
Peace. Mwah. Love you, Mary's Trench.
Love you, YouTube, Facebook, whatever's going on, whatever,
Yeah, whatever.
Peace out.